This video gives the final topic on solving exponential equations. If you're able to write the two sides using a common base, you can skip the logarithms and set the exponents equal to one another. So in the example we're given, we have 81 to the 5 minus 4x equals 9 to the negative 6x. So what I notice when I look at this is I know that 81 is 9 squared. So I'm going to notice that 81 is the same as 9 squared. So I'm going to rewrite the equation as 9 squared, and then in the exponent next to the square is going to be the 5 minus 4x equals 9 to the negative 6x. So I'm using the rule that if I have a to the m in parentheses to the nth power, that's equal to a to the m times n. So in other words, if I have 9 squared to the power of 5 minus 4x, that's the same as writing 9 to the 2 times 5 minus 4x. So that comes from rules of exponents that you learned previously in the course. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and say, okay, these have the same base. So that means their exponents have to be equal in order for the two sides of the equation to be equal. So anytime you end up with this situation where you have the same base, there's no additional terms, that means that your exponents must be equal. And so now the problem just becomes 2 times 5 minus 4x equals negative 6x. And it's a much easier problem to solve. I didn't need to use log or natural log. Now keep in mind, if you forget how to do this, you could just do the regular way of applying natural log or log to both sides, solve it, work it out. You'll come up with the same answer in the end. This just saves you a little trouble. So I'm going to distribute the 2. I get 10 minus 8x equals negative 6x. I'll add my 8x to both sides. And I end up with 10 equals 2x. So x equals 5. And in previous videos, I've been encouraging you to check your answer. So you could pull up your calculator. X is 5. So my original is going to be 81 to the power of, and put parentheses around your exponent. I'll do 5 minus 4x, where x is 5. So 5 minus 4 times 5. And on the right side, I have 9 to the power, parentheses, of negative 6x, so negative 6 times 5. The two answers come out exactly the same. That tells me that 5 is correct. I got the value of x that makes the left side of the equation equal to the right side of the equation.